I low-key gotta stop doing dumb shit and speeding, guys.
Stop the cap.
Time to lock in. I don't want to go to jail. All you can hear is this loud-ass Gixxer 600, bro. That shit loud as fuck. It's okay, my bike's faster than his, though. The fuck? What that mean, bro? Nah, we can't race right here, bro. There could be a cop.
A few moments later.
Watch this, guys. Holy shit! Get the fuck out of him, bro.